Miro comes to life while working alongside other users. When collaborators join, you can see their cursors moving throughout the board and the different actions they're taking in real time. It truly feels like you're working in the same room. Let's explore how collaboration works in some more detail, starting with real-time collaboration. When someone is on a board with you, their avatar will be shown at the top of your screen, and if you click it, you'll be taken to their current location. Use this to quickly find other users on the board. Right next to the list of avatars is the option to toggle collaborators' cursors. You can turn cursors off when there are a lot of participants or when you really want to focus on the content. As a final comment on real-time collaboration, the timer, video chat, voting, and presentation mode can take your meetings and workshops to the next level, so be sure to check those tools out when you have some time. Moving on, there are some great features to help you work asynchronously as well. The comment tool allows you to have discussions and gather feedback and approvals in the midst of a board's content. You can mention a specific user, the board's members, the project's members, and even the whole team. Notifications will go out via email and via messengers like Slack or MS Teams. When you or your colleagues check a board where changes have been made, those changes will be highlighted for you, so you'll know where to focus. As our last topic, we'll cover exporting so you can collaborate outside of Miro when necessary. The image export allows you to select any portion of the board and choose the quality level you'd like. It's great for adding diagrams or plans to documents. The second exporting option produces a PDF. It works by making each frame in a board a page in the PDF. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.